I'm thrilled and honored to be part of this momentous occasion. It feels great to share the stage with this wonderful chief guest. Right now, I have mixed emotions inside me, but the most vivid one is a sense of gratitude. I'm grateful to my Almighty for giving me this opportunity. If not for Him, I wouldn't be before you all. I'm grateful to my parents who are sitting there, who chose Excel 18 years ago, and for letting me continue here my education for like 14 years with Excel Global School. I'm grateful to them. I'm grateful to the management for providing us with a holistic education. I'm grateful to my beloved teachers for creating an amazing learning environment. A big thank you to the entire Excel community. Paradigm shift. When you look at all successful leaders out there, you definitely see one thing in common. They were fearless in their ability to let go of old paradigms and pursue what they saw as new ones. Excel Global School has been doing the same thing in the field of education. They are transforming education. I appreciate Chairman Sir, the Board of Directors, and the entire leadership team for their intention to see the market differently, for not holding on to old school model. I appreciate them. They are providing a platform to enable a productive and more delightful form of education. I congratulate them and wish them success. To my dear juniors, you might be dreaming of becoming a doctor, a business leader, or a teacher, or you might not know what you want to do in your career right now. That's fine. But no matter what path you choose, no matter what dreams you have got to do whatever it takes to succeed in your career. That defines us. I believe Excel is doing a great job helping you have the foundation you need to build a successful life. And these days, students like you are proving that it is not your circumstance that defines your future. It is your commitment. It is your attitude. You decide how high you set your goals. You decide how hard you're going to work to achieve those goals. You decide how you're going to respond when things doesn't go your way. You decide how you're going to respond when you don't get into universities or college you have your heart set on. See, these are the moments that define us. Research by Oxford University shows that skills like grit, determination, optimism, and resilience are just as important as your test scores and your grades. I urge every parent out there to help your kids get the right set of skills. Give them opportunities, give them exposures, and most importantly, just believe in their potential. Let me tell you, the world is waiting for us, and education is the single most powerful weapon that can change the world. I leave you today with the words of Harriet Tubman. Every great dream begins with a dreamer. Always remember, you have within you the strength, the patience, and the potential to change the world. May we go with boldness. May we build a better working world. Thank you. Have a great evening.